What's the meaning of colorant? Colorant. Colorant.
Colorant. Colorant. The term colorant refers to a substance that is used to add color to something else. These substances can be natural or synthetic and are often used in the production of various products, including paints, textiles, and food coloring. When a colorant is added to a product, it can change its appearance and make it more aesthetically pleasing or attractive. However, some colorants may also have potential health risks and need to be regulated and monitored to ensure their safety.